So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on background intelligent transfer service. Double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. So startup type automatic, service status running, and then click on OK. And then once you do that, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You're going to scroll down till you find Windows Update. Double click on it. Do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, click on start, which will then make service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it and then click on Windows. Now you're going to scroll down till you find software distribution. Here it is, double click on this folder. And then once we're here, you want to delete everything in this folder. So you should hover over this, delete, click on use for current items, continue. Delete everything in this folder. Now we're going to go back to the CMD scan. For me it's been completed, you're going to wait for it to be completed. And then once that's been done, now you're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan as well. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the last step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you're going to find Windows Update. Click on run. Now this will come up. You're going to wait for this to load, along with this scan here as well, DISM. You're going to complete both these scans right here. Once you complete both these scans, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.